Welcome to Conversations on the Heart. Today I want to share a thought with those of you who are either in a relationship that's hit a bump, or those of you who have gone through a breakup but are thinking about giving your relationship a second chance. If you are in either of those, know that you're not alone. We have all been there. But have you ever wondered why sometimes couples who try to mend fences run into trouble just a short while after, and they end up breaking all over again, and sometimes under even worse circumstances? Now, it is my hope that after watching this video, that it gives you something to think about so that you can avoid the same fate and hopefully give you a chance to rebuild your relationship. So where do couples go wrong? They use the past as a measuring stick for the future. When couples are trying again, they are holding on to a vision of how the relationship was. They are trying to recreate that feeling, that connection that first brought them together. But relationships, like anything else in life, they mature, they grow. Okay? But if you are constantly trying to recreate what was, you're going to set up yourself for big disappointment. And when that connection doesn't feel the same, doubt creeps in. And then you start to question if trying this thing again was even the right choice. Think for a second. When you first met that person, you were falling in love with who they were at that time. But guess what? Now that you're back together, they don't feel the same. They're different. They change, and so have you. Relationships evolve, they grow, situations change. So why then do we go back to relationships and we try to make them the same that they were? When you keep looking over the rear view mirror, you're missing out on what is right in front of you, the future, the present moment, the new version of your relationship that could be even better, more fulfilling, and more meaningful than the one that you left behind. Now, you could be missing out on all of this if you keep holding on to a vision or a version of it that does not longer exist. Instead, focus on a new connection that you can create together over time, a new way of being together, a new rhythm, a new dance. Okay? It is not about trying to recreate what you felt at one point. It's about building something different, something that is just as beautiful, just as real, but one that fits who you have both become now. And that is how your relationship can succeed. You look forward, not backwards. My take is that if you have the courage to try again, also have the discipline to look ahead, not behind. Build a relationship that is even more beautiful than the one you both left behind. Don't compare your present love to the past one. Don't try to replicate the same feeling you had when you first met. You are different now, and that's okay. In fact, it can be a blessing, because sometimes good things need to fall apart to create even better ones. Relationships are a journey, and the best part of that journey happens when you have the courage to let go of what you know and embrace the unknown. So to anyone out there who is at a crossroads thinking of giving your relationship another shot, here's my advice. Don't try to recreate what was. Let it go. Don't let the past define your future. Look forward. Look at the person that you're both becoming. Ask yourselves, how can we make this chapter better than the last? How can we build something new that is not just a reflection or a replica of what we once had, but something vibrant and full of possibilities? Because I have to tell you that Sometimes the best relationships are the ones that start from scratch, are the ones who take the lessons from the past and use those to build something fresh. If you would like to receive my tips for a fresh start after a breakup, just click on the link I've included in the message below and you will receive it in your mailbox. And if this video has resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new, please subscribe so that you can receive more motivational, educational, and spiritual content. I'll see you on the next episode.